If your shoelaces look like this on your dress shoes, then you're probably lacing and tying them incorrectly. Welcome to the DadBod. Okay, let me go ahead and rephrase that. The standard cross-lace way of tying your shoes is not exactly wrong. It's what most people are used to. It's going to keep your shoe on, and it's how most shoes arrive when you purchase them, but it is a bit casual for a dress shoe. Most people are probably only familiar with the one standard way of lacing our dress shoes, but did you know that there's a more formal way of lacing them? Same with tying them. You have the loop, swoop, and pull method, and you have the bunny ears method, which most people are familiar with one or both of those methods. However, you also have the surgeon's knot or the bow knot, which they look really nice on a formal dress shoe. Me personally, I feel like the bow knot is kind of a pain in the butt to tie, which is why I prefer the surgeon's knot. It looks the same and it's a lot easier to do. The first thing we need to do is remove the laces from our shoes, then determine if there's an even or an odd number of eyelets on the shoe. If it's an odd number like this, we're going to have more lace on one end than the other. If it's an even number, we can have an equal amount of lace on each side. These shoes have an even number of laces. Start out by putting the lace through the bottom row over the top. I usually start with the inside lace, but it doesn't matter for an even number. For an odd number, start with the longer side. Put the lace through the eyelet from underneath on the same side that it's on. Come over the top and put it through the eyelet on the other side from the top side. Then grab the other lace and do the same thing. Put it through the eyelet on the side that it's on from underneath, and then through the opposite side over the top. When you have one eyelet on each side left, put the lace through from underneath on both sides, the same side that they're on. And there you have it, the bar lace. And next, we're going to go over the surgeon's knot. But before we get to that, if you enjoyed this video and it's helped you out in any way, go ahead and hit that like button and the subscribe button. That way you'll be able to stay up to date with the latest video releases from the DadBod channel. For the surgeon's knot, you're going to start with the crossover that you normally do when tying your shoes. Make a loop on one side and circle over it with the second side. Then pull the lace on the second side through the loop and pull it through the opening created at the center and pull. From there, it's your own preference if you want to separate the knot or you want to keep the two sides of the knot together. Now that you know the more formal way of lacing and tying your shoes, check out this video right here to find out who makes the best men's dress shoes under $100, and I'll see you there.